Merry Christmas Eve. How are you guys doing? This is the second to the last day of the 12 days of Christmas, KAL. I'm actually a little sad about it. I am. But I want you guys to know that it has been a pleasure to do this for you guys. So let's go ahead and see who today's winner is. And the winner is number 8, Mrs. Mailrun Rosamond. She lives in France. So you are our first international winner. Congratulations, Rosamond. Now, what you have won is one beautiful skein of brown spun DK by the Brown Sheep Company, and it is 100% wool, and it is a 3-ply, 256 yards. How nice is that? I love that color. And then you have also won Malabrigo Chunky, which I love Malabrigo, and this is kettle dyed, and it is approximately 100 yards. It is gorgeousness. So you have won these 2 prizes. You will also receive the Happee Knits pen that you can use. And last, but certainly not least, is the blank bag that you can have customized to whatever you would like printed on it. So Rosamond, please get in contact with me and I can get these prizes out to you by the end of this week. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.